All right, crew, so welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey, and welcome back for another quick video. So today, as you guys know, last week we actually put in our wiring harness, the truck wiring harness beams. So today we got our PSI harness in. I'm so excited. So you know, once you get the the PSI harness, your motor harness, you're getting closer and closer to finishing your project. So thank goodness we got everything painted. Now we're working on the interior and we're working on the motor side of it. So we're gonna basically hook everything up today. And today's video, that's what it's gonna be about. It's gonna be about how to hook up a PSI harness. All right, crew, so welcome back, man. So let's go ahead and get right into this box opening first, and then we're gonna spread this kit out, this harness, to see what all comes in it. And as you guys know, or if you guys are new to the channel, we're putting it in the blue 55 shop truck here that we've been installing. Last week, we actually put the harness, the truck harness in there, and that went pretty smooth. So right off the top, you open this box up, you get your, right away, stop warning, modification of this harness will void the warranty. So it comes with a detailed instruction kit on your motor and what you provided for them. It has a detailed diagram here and step-by-step instructions, guys. So first of all, that comes with that. He can give you, I guess, a number here where you can call to get your. If you can zoom in on that, that's where you can. The number here, PSI 732. Let me see. What is that? 732-276-8589. Give you a bunch of stickers here, business card, keychain. Trash. All right. Coming for your computer. Last time they're getting a little better because they didn't have their name on it last time I got a computer. I mean, this looks like it's a Delphi. I mean, it looks like a brand new computer, guys. Huh. I forgot that I actually ordered grounding straps. So let me show you these. These are awesome. I already pretty much grounded everything, but you can always use grounding straps. So to give you these heavy duty grounding straps, I'll definitely be using these. And they tell you the grounding points where they actually ground their stuff at. And then it comes with your wire harness. Alright. So the next step, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and take this wire harness out. We're going to lay it down, and we're going to try to identify the sockets, the plugs. It has the bank 1 injectors, bank 2, and we're going to lay it out and go over this wire harness. Now let's go ahead and spread this out. It comes with 2 straps connected down so it won't go anywhere. Cut those. Right. So as you see here, this harness stretches out. I know it kind of looks overwhelming when you first take it off, but trust me, everything will line up like it's supposed to. And it really is just, it falls into place, and you just lay it. So this part here is the engine side, and then you got your 2-inch grommet. You have to find it somewhere, to put in your firewall, to come through your firewall. And then basically you have this stuff here, your harness stuff, that goes inside the cab. All right, so this goes inside the cab. You got your blue and green connectors. Got your fuse block. And I do know you have to hook up 2 wires on the back of your fuse. And they actually supply everything for that as well. Alright, so before we actually put this over the motor, run it through the firewall, let's go over some of these parts here that we can identify. So right here, right away, you got your DLC connector. This right here will go into your, you can use for your ODB port. If you got any type of lights to come on, you can plug it straight up into this. You can take it to any service center and they'll be able to diagnose it for you. Alright, you got your 2 PCM connectors, as I stated before. You got your key on, power, and your fuse box here. You also got your relays, okay? And all this here, and then you got your bundles here that go underneath the dash. Here, you got your ground, all right? And then you just follow it straight up, come up, and then this comes back around. This here gonna go down to your transmission. All right, that's the VSS sensor here. All right, and then you also got your reverse lockout for if you well, actually this is your foil 80 for your ISS sensor as well. All right, and then this right here is your trans connector. So then you come back up here to your right hand side and stuff. So right here you got your ground wires. All right, come back down, you got your map sensor here, your crank. Then let's go here, this one here, this should be to your coil. Okay, let me see, let me just double check. Nope, that's your right hand O2 sensor, okay? This is your O2 sensor. Then we're gonna go up here to your throttle body. This here, you see your throttle body. All right, and then you got your right hand side of all your sensors and stuff, okay? Your injectors. This is for your coil. And then you got your left hand side, 1, 3, 5, and 7, your injectors. So, and then you got another ground over here as well. And those should go to the back of the block. So next we're going to go ahead and put it over here, guys, and we're going to start running everything, because I'm going to need to find out where I'm going to mount my CPU and everything. Well, I'm sorry, my PCM. Start with the most longest one first. Just start fishing it through that hole. And of course, this would be a lot easier if you had a 2-person working with you. Go ahead and pull it through a little bit. Now this is my main power wire. I'll run it through my fire loom, my firewall. This needs to go through. This is my neutral safety switch. All right, just want to show you guys how I got everything tightened up now. Everything is good to go. I may put some zip ties on some of these here, but everything is nice and neat. Now I can go ahead and wire up underneath the dash harness. I just wanted to show you guys a quick video of how I actually run everything through the firewall. I still have to figure out a place for my CPU here. And hey, that'll be it. And then I run my wires to my fuel pump and stuff like that, guys. So this is an awesome harness for a standalone harness, guys, for your motor. PSI really do it right, guys. No tuning required. They do it at their shop and everything. So this just was a quick video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned something. So like I said, I'm not getting paid for PSI, but they have a good product, guys. So basically, I just want to show you guys that kit. I love them. This is like my third one that I installed myself. So this is it for this video, guys. Check my other videos out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you really like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me, guys. And that way we can make many more videos. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar or fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ's out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.